Hello everyone, I'm Professor Rahul. Welcome to our session on prompt engineering. At its core, prompt engineering is the craft of designing inputs for generative AI, so the outputs better align with our intent. Better inputs simply mean better results. For example, a naive prompt might be, write an outline about sustainable agriculture. A better engineered prompt would be, you are a senior agronomist. Provide a detailed blog post outline on sustainable agriculture in India, with 6 sections and 3 sub-points each. That second prompt gives role, topic, and structure, producing a much more useful output. So how does it work? Key techniques include providing context to the model, defining a specific role or persona, and specifying format constraints like word count. You can also provide examples in what's called few-shot prompting. Most importantly, prompt engineering is an iterative process of refining your instructions to improve the results. Prompt engineering is used across many domains. For text generation like blog posts and reports, code assistance and debugging, creating AI tutors for education, and shaping how customer service chatbots respond. But there are limitations. Models can still hallucinate or produce biased content. Prompts can be fragile, where small wording changes lead to big output differences. And there are ethical concerns about misuse. Thank you for watching. I hope this gives you a clear overview of prompt engineering. In our next session, we'll dive deeper with hands-on demonstrations. Until then, keep experimenting with prompts and keep refining.